Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to display data from the database using PHP language. So if you're new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and a comment. So last time I presented a video on how to insert data into the database, and that's the data we're going to display today from the database. So if you have not watched this video, please, I request you to watch, because I'm going to leave the link below under this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. We're going to create a new document and declare the doc. HTML, open HTML tag and close HTML tag. Next, we're going to create our heading tag, that is a head title. Our title will be displaying data from the database. Close the title and close the head tag. Let's first run this. Let's give it as view.php and we save. Sorry, let's save it. HTML. Okay, let's try to run this. Localhost. Our folder name is called student. Under student we have view.php. Oh, sorry, why did I save it? The extension, we didn't. It is view.php, not .ph. See here, it is .ph. It's .php, like that. Let's try to refresh. Yeah, this is our file. This is the title, as you can see, displaying data from the database. So let's go back. We're going to create our table. Well, let's start by body. Close the body tag. From the body, inside the body, we're going to create a table. Let's give a border of 1. Close the table tag. Now in a table, let's create a table row and close the table row. Let's first try to run and see. It's not displayed because we haven't put data. Table head. Let's just do like this. Table head. The heading of the thing we want to be is like ID. Close the table head. th. Let's duplicate this. Copy. Paste here. Paste and paste. Actually, let's first run. You see? Yeah, it has come. So next one is first name. The other one's last name, and the other one's location. This will not affect the data in the database, the naming here. Yeah, you can put it the way you want. Right, let's break it so that to bring it down. br save and run. Right, let's center the table. We center the table, sorry, center the table, center, and close the center tag. Yeah, let's run. Yeah, we want our table to be like that. Now what we are going to do is to display that under the table headings. Under here, like this is the heading. Actually, what I was trying to mean here is the table row. This row, we are creating one row of the table, which is this one. This is the row of the table, and this is the column of a table. So we are going to display data under this table. Now from here, we are going to use the PHP script for displaying data. So we are going to write our PHP script up here. Sorry, PHP. First of all, let's issue the connection to the database. Colon, let's go to MySQLi underscore connect. Terminate it. Our host name is called localhost. The username is called root. The password, we don't have a password for our host, for our server. Then the database, we have, last time we created a database called semester. So let's first test the connection. If we have connected to the database, let's test it. If the con $, if it is connected to the database, please echo. I'm saying this, echo connected. Else echo failed. Yeah, terminate. Actually, we're going to echo here. It is echo. Let's run it. Congratulations, we have connected to our database. It is now connected. Now for now, we don't want this. We're going to remove this because we're just testing. So the next thing is not right to display data from the database. Now from here, we're going to select all the data from our table. Remember last time we inserted our data into the table called learners. So we're going to display from the table called learners. Now I want you to do the simple thing. You don't need to write again a code. You go to your PHP admin, go to your database you created. Now from the database, we have the table called learners. This is our table. Now from the learners, go to SQL, this tab, then come here, which is saying select all. Come, highlight all that, and copy that code. Don't want you again to write this code. Just come and do select. Sorry, it has again gone there. It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be here. Select all from so we're going to give you our variable, which is called connect query. I mean, okay, let's say call it connect. Remove this. Yeah. Now we come to our query. We call another variable called query. Then we're going to query the database, that is MySQLi. MySQLi underscore query. We're saying con, which is database connection, this one, and query, this one, connect. It's a connect thing. We terminate this. Yeah, we're good to go. So from here we're going to display the now. Actually, we're now going to create another variable, MySQLi underscore fetch underscore assoc, but we're going to fetch the query. That one, we terminate. Then now here we're checking whether the data is in the database. Now this query does that, MySQLi underscore now underscore rows, this one. Still we're going to put a variable query. Terminate. Now we're going to write our code now to display under the column headings. We're going to write here inside the table, if we're going to write another PHP script. Start if $sign now. What we're saying here is that if the data is in the database, please display. If $sign now is greater than 0, open brackets, and say while, then we bring this code. While, remove this terminating. While the data is in the database, please display, that is saying echo one. We want to echo table row. Close the tr. And in a table row, we want table data. Close the table data. Table data. But the table data we want is full stop. Our variable data, this one, paste here. In brackets, display for us ID. Actually get it the way you have named from the database. Full stop. Then let's just duplicate this for other rows. database, the way we have named our table. Here we have first name. If you have named first, actually in in capital letters, you also write in capital letters. If it is small letters, write in small letters. But for my case, we have capital F and capital N. That is, first name is capital and capital N. First name, even the last name is capital L. Last name. Location, we have capital L. Location. Right, that's all. Let's check. You have data here. Alright, that's all. Now what we're going to do is to insert our data from this, and we shall display. Remember last time we inserted data, so let's first try to reference. Let's add a button, a link came in. We add a link. We open anchor tag, iref. Let's link to our file called view.php. We say click to view data. Actually, that link is too long. Let's just say view data like that. That's enough. Close anchor tag. Let's first see whether the link is there. Yeah, this is our link. When you click, it comes to here, to this file. Instead of us again typing here that student again, then you type view.php. So we just simplify by linking it from this file. Actually, from this file we link it to the other file. So now let's insert data and see. Let's start. My name is called Herbert. Actually, I can say Herbert. Location can called let's see. Add data. Let's view data. Wow, it is here. You see, guys, it has come. Now, when you check also in the database on the table, real table, which is this one, yeah, it is here also. It is also in our database. This is our database, but the table is also in that database. So this is this. So let's add another one. Let's go to our browser. We go back. We add NK. Okay, let's say Dubai. Then let's say Mumbai. Then let's say Nigeria. Let's add. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to add. Right, that has gone. Yeah, they've come. They're all here. So it's Dubai, Mumbai, Nigeria. Let's check it. So here it has come. Let's again add. Let's go back. Let's add again Nairobi, Kampala. Then we can call this one any, like Sudan. We add. Successfully added. We view. Wow, it has come. Let's check also here. Wow, it is here. Now, what I was telling you last time about the naming, of this table. If here is capital I, capital letters, also put their capital letters. Let's try to see from our code. How is our code? This is our file. Okay, let's put this. Let's put it capital I. Is that capital I? No. Let's put here capital S. Yeah, that is capital S. Let's check. We run. You see, guys, this is what I was telling you, we people. So here you see this is capital S. It is telling us we have an error in 52, line 52. Let's check. This is line 52. So if this, make sure you name it, make sure you copy all this, you bring it to this code. Even if less space and put here small s, save, let's run. Still it is bringing an error. Now it's reading this as a different data. It's not in the table here. You see this one has first name but no space. Right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please leave a comment and like, and please share with your friends. Thank you so much. But let's first correct this before. Let's correct this. Yeah, thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends.